Research is a systematic process of investigation, analysis, and discovery to generate new knowledge or deepen existing knowledge in a particular field of study. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to conduct research. 1. Identify the research topic. Select the subject or area of interest that you want to explore. Make sure it's specific enough to be manageable but broad enough to provide opportunities for exploration. 2. Conduct preliminary research. Begin by gathering some background information on your topic. Read books, articles, or online resources to gain a basic understanding of the subject. This will help you identify any existing research gaps or questions that need further investigation. 3. Formulate research questions or hypotheses. Based on your preliminary research, develop clear and focused research questions or hypotheses. These should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. 4. Design the research methodology. Determine the research approach and methodology you will employ to answer your research questions or test your hypotheses. Common methodologies include experimental studies, surveys, case studies, qualitative interviews, or literature reviews. Ensure your methodology aligns with your research goals. 5. Create a research plan. Develop a detailed plan outlining the steps, timeline, and resources required to complete your research. Break down the process into manageable tasks, and consider any ethical considerations or potential limitations. 6. Collect data. Depending on your research methodology, collect relevant data using appropriate techniques. This could involve conducting experiments, surveys, interviews, or analyzing existing datasets. Ensure the data collection process is systematic, accurate, and reliable. 7. Analyze data. Once you have gathered your data, analyze it using appropriate statistical or qualitative analysis methods. Interpret the results to draw meaningful conclusions and identify any patterns, trends, or relationships within the data. 8. Draw conclusions. Based on your data analysis, draw conclusions that address your research questions or refute your hypotheses. Discuss the implications of your findings and any limitations or areas for further research. 9. Communicate your research. Share your research findings through various mediums such as academic papers, conference presentations, or articles. Ensure you adhere to the guidelines and standards of the relevant field or publication. 10. Reflect and iterate. Reflect on your research process, including what worked well and what could be improved. Consider any feedback or critiques from peers or reviewers and use it to refine your research approach for future studies. Remember, research is an iterative and ongoing process. It requires critical thinking, organization, and persistence. Building upon existing knowledge and engaging with the scholarly community will help you contribute to the advancement of your chosen field.